I always draw this analogy. I think to date, and I've been in the oil industry some time, we're guilty of kind of living our life in the rear view mirror. And what I mean by this, we spend a lot of time on root cause analyses. We're always in the past looking at what has happened, rather than looking into the future and saying, okay, what can I do to understand and intervene before the problem occurs? And this is exactly what we're doing at Akselos with this proactive approach to understand the future operating conditions.
And speaking to customers, we keep seeing three main themes: aging infrastructure and equipment, downtime, the opportunity of data. TJ, it would be great if you can share some of the challenges that you face in your line of work.
I think, just around that aging infrastructure, something called taking profits and making profits. And depending on where you are in the cycle, we're all in different areas of the life cycle of our kit, really about harvesting the back end or really setting yourself up for the energy transition and what that might bring. And I think that there's a huge opportunity, and a challenge around optimizing the capital intensity of our kit, as well as really having a competitive OPEX frame. So this is a heavy wall vessel in a hydroprocessing unit. And with heavy wall vessels, there's minimum pressurization temperatures to avoid brittle fracture. And that often involves a rate of change, so a cool down rate as we're shutting the plant down and a heat up rate when we're starting it up. And we always want to be on the safe side of those rates to avoid that process safety brittle fracture risk. We really wanted to understand how can we do it with an optimized schedule while protecting the asset's integrity.
For Shell, we delivered a dashboard that looks like the one on the screen. What the dashboard actually enables are high precision insights in the real time to drive operational decision. So naturally, the next question is, what kind of decisions? On the screen, you can see a range of use cases around which we improve decision-making to drive better outcomes. In this example, there were three in particular. Removing mechanical constraints. This was about deciding how much faster the reactor could be started up in a safe manner. At digital workflows here, the site is able to make these kind of decisions as the operation unfolds. This is real-time updates of the condition of the asset. This was simply not possible before the partnership with Akselos. It's just simply not possible with other simulation technology. And the team is significantly better to understand which areas of the reactor are at risk.